Hi you guys, እንደምናችሁ ዛሬ በጣም ትልቅ እንግዳ ይዤላችሁ ነው የመጣሁት እንዳሉ ላታቋት but she's very shy so like ካሜራ ላይ አልገባም ምንድን ነው ያልሽው
ካሜራ ላይ አልገባም
ያለችው but if this video performs well
Yeah.
she will because we're both very poor and we need the money
we do.
so how are you guys welcome back ዛሬ በቃ ነው ፖስት ማድረገው probably አርብ ወይንም
ዛሬ
ነገ
ነው
ላረጋችን probably አርብ ነው so እንዴት ነበር ሳምንት
Oh, that,
how was everything how's life how's work
How was your week?
my week was okay then I have to pay rent ዛሬ ቀን ስንት ነው 27 or something
No, because I paid rent also, so ዛሬ 27 ነው መድኃኒዓለም ነው
I have to pay in like 3 to 6 days
well
They're
can
way
we not
too fast.
can we not
አይዲ እንትን ሚም ልካልኝ ነበረ was it a TikTok yeah my landlord needs to get a new job and stop relying on me for money
Yes, what do you mean, sir?
why do I have to pay you every month and the utilities አንቺ የውሃሽ እንዴት ነው
እስካሁን ቼክ አድርጊልኝ ብዬሽ ቼክ አላደረገች
ቼክ አደረኩላትና ማለት ነው ይላችሁ so I made a video TikTok ላይ ካያችሁ የውሃ ቢል ብዙ መጣብኝ ብዬ by the way የባለፈው 850 ምናምን ብር ነበር ከዛ በፊት የነበረው 2600 ብር ነው የከፈልኩት
I don't understand በየወሩ ነው የምትከፍይው
በየወሩ ነው የምከፍለው ግን the people who were here
They didn't pay?
ከወጡ እነሱ ከወጡና እኔ እስክገባ የነበረው ታይም I think ቅጣት ምናምን መሰለኝ እንደዛ ያበዛው
No,
ግን አሁን የአሁን ወር ላይ I'll see because if it's still that much
and it doesn't make sense ብዬ ነው ምን ያህል ውሃ ብትጠቀሚ ነው ለዛው ምን ይዘለው
I was like መለካት ልጅ በበርሜል 500 ሊትር 500 ነው ይሄ ከዛ በኋላ
ቅድም ሳንሽን ሳጽ ማለት ነው የሚፈሰው እንትን እያልሽ ነበር oh my god ውሃውን እየሰማችሁ ይሆን
I was not hey itfash I'm not that cheap
yeah I hope
you look the thing fuck you
okay
the መብራት I don't pay that much I use like 1,000 ብር ለሁለት ወር ምናምን
ነው እኔ እኮ ያልገባኝ ነገር መብራትም ኤክስፔንሲቭ እንዳልሆነ ነው የማውቀው ውሃም ኤክስፔንሲቭ እንዳልሆነ ነው የማውቀው because ውሃ usually
ከፍላ ስለማታውቅ ነው by the way expensive
how I mean ስድስት ሆኖኛል ከከፈልኩኝ to be honest because I completely forgot about it until ስትዩ ድረስ I don't know last የከፈልኩት ማለት ነው was 200 ምናምን ብር እና I'm like okay it's not that expensive so
I can pay በስድስት ወር 200 እንደው እግዚአብሔር 300 ብር ያምጣና ያስደስተኝ
ከዛ መጥቶ ይቆርጡታል ነገር መሰለኝ ደግሞ
እንደዛ ነበረ እኮ ግን not yours clearly አለሽ ውሃ
yeah please don't mention where I live so that's okay
ለቡ ነው የምትኖሩት ያልሽ ከዛ
wink
I know oh my god I can't be an adult
ግን እንትኑ እሺ ይሄን ከጨረስን በኋላ ማለት ነው please 951 ላይ ነው ምናምን ቼክ አድርጊ ያልሽኝ we have to check
ስራ ሰዓት አይደለም ነገ ባይሆን we can
ተለካ ተደውሎ ነው ያልሽኝ
oh
my god
they say contact አድርጉ 951
the way I sound stupid 951
she does not sound very smart to be honest with you እየቀረጽን ያለ ነው it's like
ነው
20 ጉዳይ ለአራት ነው
ግን አይመጣውት it's been like
የመጣችሁ ለሳ ነው I was applying to a job you guys okay like I said I have to pay so many it's okay I guess I don't know I hopefully anyways yeah የመጣ አይደል
እንግዲህ ዛሬ ማለት ነው ይሄን ቪዲዮ ካያችሁ በኋላ አርብ ዕለት I guess TikTok ቪዲዮ ፖስት አድርገሻል ስለ ሽቶ
ፖስት አድርጋለሁ
so if anybody wants ሽቶ
if you guys want original perfume you know where to find it
yeah
I hate business by the way I don't hate business but I just hate that I just want to have free money like I've said this many times I just want to accidentally wake up and be like oh my god አሜሪካ ያለች ድሮ ማታውቂያት አክሰስ $500 ሚሊዮን ታድሽ ሞታለች or something
this is why because በ1990ዎቹ የተወለዱ ልጆች ማለት ነው you know
I'm a child by the way
the movie was like I think Adam Sandler ራሱ እንደዚህ አይነት ፊልም ነበረው መሰለኝ ይሄ where his uncle left him I think I don't know I forgot the name I don't know ብቻ የምታውቁት ከሆነ ከዛም በኋላ he's rich የሆነ ጊዜ ተነስቶ አይነት ታሪኮች the way it's not going to happen like that
I'm a believer I think anything is possible with God ጥራህ ግራህ ስራ ደግሞ ማርያም አልተባለችም አዳም ነው የተባለው so like
I said we should talk about that too. I swear to God, because I don't want to work. I'm done working, bro. I am done working. Like, I just want to
she
wake
just
up.
started working. Kafatu, we're not even old enough to say. Maybe she retired. ለማድረግ አልደረስንም ወይ ቤት አልሰራም ወይ መኪና አልገዛን መኪና እና ቤት እና ቢያንስ 3 መኪና 2 ቤት ካለሽ አንዱን ያከራይሽ መኪናሽን ያከራይሽ ትኖሪያለሽ
I mean, what are the odds of ለማድረግ?
I don't know because when day in day out until you die.
I don't know. Anyway, to be honest, ማለት ነው. Okay, I don't want to tell. Should I tell my age? I don't know. But anyways, okay, I don't care. Good. በ28 ዓመት ነው የወጣልኝ ስራ መስራት የሚባል ነገር ሞራሊቲ ዜሮ የገባው because I was very 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 much into working.
Are you joking?
I swear to God.
Oh my God.
The way I loved working.
I was like,
wait, I loved working.
No.
No, I'm going to sound very nerdish. Good. Basically, ያለኝ satisfaction.
That makes no sense. I mean, to ገቢ ያለ satisfaction by the way ባትወጪ ማለት
oh my God ይሄ ነገር እንትን I don't know የምታይ ነው ጭንቅላቴ
so weird አሁን ካሜራ ውስጥ ብትሆን it would be so much better I promise you
because of her ወንበር ነው anyways
not my ወንበር because she refused to be in camera because she's shy
anyways I was saying ከሰው ጋር ያለኝ interaction ደስ ይለኝ ነበር ይሄ meeting new people መተው ዕቃ ሲገዙ ምናምን ነገር ከዛን talking to them ብቻ it used to give me high.
What was your first job?
My first job was clinical pharmacy. I'm dispensing pharmacy, like pharmacists dispense ማድረግ መድኃኒትን. So
I have no idea how people can like that job.
I love it.
በቀን 3 ከምግብ በኋላ 10 ጊዜ ለአንድ ሰው ማለት ነው የሚያስደስተው. Which interaction is fun?
Okay. በህይወቴ ግራ የሚገባኝ ነበር. I never thought pharmacy ውስጥ ከስተመር ይኖራል ብዬ አስቤ አላውቅም ነበር. ግን መጥቶ የሚገዙ ሰዎች ማለት ነው they're the same people በሳምንት ውስጥ ሁለት ይመላለሳሉ ነው ወይ መድኃኒት ለራሳቸው ይገዛሉ ለአባቶቻቸው ይገዛሉ ለእናታቸው ከዛን ዶድራንት ምናምን ብቻ ክሬም ብቻ they come so you become this instant hey how are you now I like that interaction
you like people
I used to
she used to not anymore
now I don't want to talk to people as much as possible yeah
honestly it's not even ጎንደር ማለት ነው ይሄ ምድር የሚባለው
what was your first job
my first job was optometrist clinic ውስጥ መስራት
okay
so like there's a lot of talking and I'm someone who likes to talk as you know I like call her Adi Dawiye we talk for like 2 hours on the phone and she doesn't even like to talk on the phone but I'm like hey
yes
and the parents don't get was like oh my God what is life good right now so like I like talking but then what I find frustrating የጤና ስራ ላይ more than anything and what made me hate ስራ የሚለውን because that was ብዙ የሰራሁት ስራ I hate ሰው መጥቶ when they question my decision that sounds like I'm saying they're stupid but እንዴ ነው ከሆነ from like የሆነ ቤዝ ያለው ነገር አሁን ለምሳሌ መነጽሬ ቁጥሩ 4 ነበረ አሁን ለምን 7 ሆነ ከሆነ that's a reasonable question that makes sense you know they're right but like ለምዶ መነጽር ማረጋው አያቴኮ በ80 አመቱ I say this example all the time I feel like I repeat myself but anyways so አያቴ በ80 አመቱ በደንብ አርጎ ነበር የሚያዩኮ ለምን ነው አሁን እኔ መነጽር ማረግ ያለብኝ ማንበብ ለምዶ ነው ያልቻልኩት this is a stupid question so like I don't like having to answer stupid questions 10 million times a day your grandfather never read bro he couldn't read I'm not saying it to be insulting you know what I mean የኛ ቤተሰቦች አያቶቻችን ምናምን መቼም አንባቢ አልነበሩ መጽሐፍ ቅዱስና ዳዊት እንኳን ቢደግሙ ብዙ ጊዜ ስለመሸመደዱት or something ነው most of the time
ሲጀምር I don't understand የgrandfather በሽታ like ግዴታ እኮ አይደለም I mean it doesn't make sense
it's genetics genetics አይደለም
genetics ነው ለሳቸው
በቃ ሊሆን ይችላል ካልሆነም ደግሞ የግድ አያተ ላይሆን ይችላል ምናልባት ከእንትን ሳይድ ሊሆን ይችላል ግን even when you're explaining it and now you're saying like scientific things የመቼም የተማርሹ ምናምን ነው የምታወሪው they're like no
I don't know እንደዚህ አይነት ነገር ለምሳሌ እኔ ማለት ያስደስተኛል because okay ያስደስተኛል ስለሽ ቆይ ላስረዳሽ I understand your point completely understand your point ግን በፊት አቅም በነበረኝ ጊዜ I used to be like no everybody's not the same ምናምን ብሎ ሰውን ከዜሮ ማስረዳት ያስደስተኝ ነበር you know what I mean yeah just
I didn't
so now I'm just burned out ነገር ነው
exactly then I got burned out very quickly
okay
because ክፍለ ሀገርም ነበረ የክፍለ ሀገር ሰዎች actually I don't mind because you know what I mean access ስለሌላቸው ነው and when they say መነጽር ምናምን ስትያቸው ወይ መድኃኒት ወይ ምናምን ስትያቸው they say reasonable የሆነ ነገር ነው የሚሉሽ by the way they're like SARS no mulo, like how am I going to wear glasses? Which makes perfect
what's
sense,
the
right?
point? Yeah.
So like so it wasn't that bad. And there was a lot of people. There was a lot of yelling because they're old and their hearing is not very good. So like
we have to go back. My question is ተመርቀሽ ከሐዋሳ ወጣሽ ከዛ እዛው ሐዋሳን የሰራሽው?
No.
ሐዋሳ ነው አይደል? ኦኬ ጎንደር I'm sorry.
ከጎንደር ተመርቄ ደሴ ቦሮ ሜዳ ነው የሰራሁት።
ወይ ማገልገል ግዴታችሁ ስለነበረ ነው? ለስንት ጊዜ ማለት ነው?
ግዴታ የነበረው 4 ዓመት ነበር በተማርኩት ልክ።
What do you mean
exactly? ከዛ እኛ ስንመደብ ነው by the way በፊት it was እንዴት ነው ሩቅ ቦታ በሄድሽ ቁጥር Okay, that was her, y'all. You saw me. I didn't touch this mic. We will buy a better mic if she decides to get in this. If you watch it and you like it, we'll get a better mic. Because I saw Jay anyways.
Okay.
Let's not get distracted.
Yes, Nelshu
ከጎንደር ወጥቼ
Okay.
ምደባ በፊት በአመት ይሆን ነበር like አንድ አመት ለምሳሌ ሶማሌ ከሄድሽ or something አዲስ አበባ ከሆንሽ 4 አመት ወይ ከተማ ቦታ ምናምን ከዛ ግን እሱ ቀረና እኩል ሆነ የተማርሽውን ያህል ነው የምታገለግዩ
ከተማውስ ማን ነው የሚመርጠው ከተማውን በእድል ነው
ማንም በጣ ነው She doesn't watch my YouTube by the way I know you guys remember ባለፈው አውርቻለሁ My besties now.
I'm sorry. This is my first time, so
it's her first time. She never watched it. She was like, "Oh, I want to come. Let me see you record." I'm like, "Watch the video, bro." So like here she is. So anyways, yeah. I think I lost my interest in working before I even started.
Okay, because I understand. አጀማመርሽ ራሱ ትንሽ ከባድ ሊሆን ይችላል መሰለኝ አዲስ አበባ ተወልዶ ላደገ ሰው ከዛን ደግሞ 5 አመት 4 አመት ሄደሽ ተምረሽ ከዛን ደግሞ ድጋሜ ተማርሽውን ያህል ማገልገል
I know imagine እድሜሽ አለቀ
wasting your time
the way I thought I need to leave this I need to move from Desi and get married.
Oh, Desi ጨረሹ 4 years?
No. አንድ አመት ነው የሰራሁት because I thought ልጅነቴን እያቃጠልኩ ነው እዚህ what if my husband
the way you're young
was a baby
yeah
and the way my husband is not in Addis Ababa
maybe he was in Desi
God forbid
why not
I mean ለምን አብረን የምንሆነው ነው ተቃጠል I can't I'll be so sad no
it's okay it's fine okay
it's okay please. Anyways it was the right decision at the time
we are going through a lot people anyways
and now okay so actually ዛሬ ምን ነበር ነው ያሰብነው መሰላችሁ before we forgot and talked about how much we hate working
oh we do
yeah the recent hakimochu mamas because we're both in healthcare I was going to say healthcare-ish but it is healthcare so like Adiam would you like to talk about your
how I love my job
how much she loves
how I used to love my job
loved it for 5 months for how long did you like it
to be honest I swear to God for maybe 4 years I'm not even kidding I'm not even
that's
kidding
crazy talk.
I loved it so
what happened why did you hate it
okay ከየትኛው ይጀምር መጀመሪያ
ምን ነበር የምትወጂው ስራውን አይደለም it's the people
no it's the money bro
oh my god there's money in dispensing
no okay now we have to በጣም ብዙ ነገር ልናወራ ሊሆን ነው
ሁለት ፓርት እናደርገዋለን
okay እሺ እንትኑን ወደው ነበር ይልሽ I hated Denton ደሞዙ was shit it was okay my first job I got paid 2500 ብር
Jesus Christ me too
yeah it was like እንጃ ማመን ያቃተኝ because ይልሽ ምን ብቻ ማመን ያቃተኝ እና I was like what 2500 per month ምን ማለት ነው ከዛም ከጧት ለታክሲ ላለማውጣት ከቤተሰቦቼ ጋር ወጣለሁ ከቤተሰቦቼ ጋር መልሳለሁ አይነት ሲቹዌሽን ሆነ because 2500 it was like
nothing
maybe 4 years ago it was better no okay this was
it doesn't matter when it was
4 years አይደለም this was 7 years ago
yeah
so 7 years ago 2500 was not bad
I was like it was I don't think
it was bad because it wasn't that bad አይደለም
it wasn't depressing
it wasn't depressing yeah plus ደግሞ ከቤተሰቦች ጋር ምንኖሪው ምናምን ነገር so you can just go and chill ምናምን
yeah then I hated it you guys know I can't
okay so what I loved about it is አንደኛ ተመርቄ እንደወጣው ስለሆነ ማለት ነው I loved the fact that okay ይሄን ሁሉ መድኃኒት አውቃለሁ ማለት ነው it gave me a satisfaction of እንትን okay so ሲመጣል ይሄ እንደዚህ አድርጉ ምናምን oh my god
genius
ምን ማለት ነው oh my god ከዛ ይሄ መጻፉ ጧት ምሳሳት ራት ምናምን ከዛ በፊት ከ30 ደቂቃ በፊት ሰዱ ምናምን I swear I loved it
oh my god
I was such a nerd bro
such a nerd
bro what I was not so it doesn't make sense
what the hell
so anyways what I loved about it is okay the money alkusha so I loved the fact that I made connection ፋርማሲ ውስጥ የሌለ መድኃኒቶችን ከውጭ ሰዎችን አገናኛቸዋለሁ ሶ የሆነ የተወሰነ ብር ይታሰብልኛል ለነሱም ብቻ ምናምን ነገር ያ
That is good. And the side money is the best, by the way.
Yeah, I don't think የሚፈቀድ ነገር አይመስለኝም. So please don't do it. And it depends on the.
I mean, ከሌለኩ ሰዎቹ ነው ያገናኙሻቸዋላችሁ. It's legal.
It's legal. ግን ብዙ ጊዜ እንትኖች ደስ አይላቸውም. I don't know.
ፋርማሲ ላይ ያሉ ሰዎች
the pharmacy owners. Because የለም ብለሽ አንቺ ከውጭ
እሱማ ከፋቱ ማንም ሰው አንቺ ሲያልፍልሽ አይወድም ራሱ ብቻ እንዲያልፍልሽ.
That is very true. So I ብቻ እሱ ፓርት ደስ ብሎኛል. So I like ብር መስራት ጀመርኩኝ. ከዛ ሌላ ስራ ነበረኝ on the side so I didn't hate it ምንም አልጠላሁትም
I worked another job
personally ራሴ ስራ I was just ከዩኒቨርሲቲ ወጥቻለሁ so it was just a side business ይኖረኝ ነገር I used to have I used to have ተብሎ የሚወራ ነገር let's just jump it now
okay we're skipping it for today
next time
yeah the way I never did anything other than I'm like ተምሬ ለምንድን ነው ሌላ ነገር እንድሰራ የሚጠበቀው ከኔ I did what I was supposed to do I mean that's not a good mentality to have by the way one of the reasons
by the way ማለት ሁሉ ጊዜ የሚለው ነገር ማለት ነው ይሄ A ተማሪዎች B ተማሪዎች ብዙ ጊዜ ላይፍ ላይ ማይሳካላቸው it's because of this reason
including me በትምህርቱ ቀጥታ መሳካት አለበት
because በትምህርቱ በቃ ትምህርት ነው ትምህርት ላይ ትልቅ ደረጃ ትደርሻለሽ ተብለሽ and then
surprise
and then what I was 100% sure I was going to be rich and በ23 ዓመት ያግብቼ ወልጄ ሀብታሙኛለሁ በቃ አለቀ okay maybe 25 not 23
25 ማለት that we were like when I'm 25
yeah
I would change my life
of course
and in my big house
I was going to say ከቤት ጋር ነው
with my man
yeah so how's it going የትኛውን አሳክተሻል
so well እንደ ብራች ቢሆን እንጂ ቤት መኪና ባልማ and we have twins
yeah I don't know
the struggle is real
yeah
now we sound like sad spinsters
so do you regret ታደርጊዋለሽ is my question I guess እንዴት የገባሽው መጀመሪያ ሄልዝ ውስጥ የገባሽው ያ ጤና ውስጥ የገባሽው
ጤና ላይ የገባሁት much just because I thought አንደኛ I think it's Grey's Anatomy and stuff
Grey's Anatomy Grey's Anatomy ያለ ነበር እንዴ
of course maybe I remember we had a friend in Delhi
no I don't know I don't remember
I remember so clearly Grey's Anatomy has been
like 21 are going to calculate our age bro
the way you're welcome to my mom will kill me though
no they should
don't we're children
okay wink I don't remember Grey's Anatomy I'm not sure
okay. It's not even our age of course like haya andenya ምናምን season ያለ show እኮ ነው so it's been around a long time
so you thought Grey's Anatomy in science ተመችቶሽ ነው ወይስ romance ተመችቶሽ ነው
everything
you thought lift ውስጥ የምትሳሳቢ ነው
I thought I was gonna meet a sexy doctor
I'm sorry
makes me look dreamy but then all I got was heartburn and that ማለት ነው honestly hospital you don't really meet people በተለይ
when you don't bro okay
አላቅም ጥቁር አንበሳ አልሰራም ግን
so please ask me about
I'm so sorry ጥቁር አንበሳ ተብራች go ahead
when meet people ማለት
like is it like the movies I know it's not like the movies in my experience
what do you mean like
okay so እኔ የሰራሁባቸው ቦታዎች በሙሉ አንደኛ በጣም ትንሽ ሰራተኛ ያለበት ነው በወሩም ያን ያህል ብዙ አልነበረም
okay
ከዛ በኋላ የግል ቦታ ስለሆነ የሰራሁት it's just ጥቂት ነው ያሉት men
oh okay
this sounds very thirsty but like I'm just speaking on the general if you're trying to meet a man girl it's not going to happen
okay I understand so what you mean I understand what you mean
በብዛት ከሴቶች ጋር ነው ደግሞ የሰራሁት there's not that many እንግዲህ in my experience there haven't been that many
እኛ ጋርም አልነበረም እንትን ሜዲሲን ስማር okay ከሜዲሲን ወደ ፋርማሲ ከሜዲሲን ወደ ፋርማሲ ቀይሬ ነው anyways ወደ ክሊኒካል ፋርማሲ ከዛ አንድ አመት ተጨምሮብን ነበር anyways ከሜዲሲን ተማሪዎች በጣም ብዙ ወንድ አለ ብዙ ሴት አለ so አንቺ የምትፈልጊውን አይነት ወንድ ታገኛለሽ is a whole thing because everybody medicine የሚመጣው ከብዙ አይነት ባክግራውንድ ነው because medicine ዶክተሮች ያልፍላቸዋል ተብሎ ስለሚታሰብ በጣም ስልሽ ከብዙ ቦታዎች right
ከላይ እስከታች ድረስ
ፋርማሲ maybe I feel like 5 ወር 6 ወር ነበረ so if you think anything is going to happen lift ውስጥ
ጀመረ ኢትዮጵያ ውስጥ lift especially ስትማሪ ያለበት ቦታ የለም እማማሻ
I don't know.
It has not. There was no meeting people in my experience.
Good. Medicine ተማሪዎች I mean maybe እንትኖች ነበር I guess.
Not that much, to be honest.
Okay. Anyways, እሺ Grey's Anatomy because of the romance ገባሽ?
I mean, I watched it no. የሆነ እንዴት ነው? It creates this idea of what working in healthcare is like. It's interesting all the time. The show was interesting.
The show was now it's just
but like any ድሮ ሳይ it was interesting. It was, you know, they were helping people, they were doing something. It looked like they were satisfied even though they looked tired.
What do you mean? They were always crying.
But then it was like there's always that one case in every episode where it's like,
oh yes, yeah.
That
yeah.
I think in my mind ሳላስበው it made me feel some type of
yeah.
Because I know my friend እህቷ ገባች optometry ነው. I was like, I was not smart enough for medicine. I'm gonna tell you right now, y'all.
ምን ፊልድ ውስጥ ነበረ ተጀመረ ያንቺ ሰብጀክት? ሄልዝ ውስጥ ነው? other health ላይ? Okay. እሺ because
በሊስት ደም ያለው በሊስት ስራ አዳር ምናምን ያለው እሱ ነው. So honestly that's why I joined optometry. Also it's not that የምትማሩት ነገር ያን ያህል ብዙ አይደለም. The material
is fine.
ስራ ላይ is the most መዛግ.
ስራ ላይ of course.
መዛግ ነው በጣም.
አራት ዓመት ኮርስ ናይስ ለሄልዝ ነገር ውስጥ አራት ዓመት
ያኔ ኮርስ ብዙ 4 ዓመት ነበር። አሁን ነው የተጨማመረው። ነርሲንግ 4 ዓመት ነው፣ ላብራቶሪ 4 ዓመት ነው፣ ሳይካትሪክ ነርስ 4 ዓመት ነው፣
ሚድዋይፍሪ ሜቢ
ሚድዋይፍሪ 4 ዓመት ነው። ማጆሪቲ 4 ዓመት ነው ባይ ዘ ዌይ። እንትን ነው ፋርማሲ ኦብቪየስሊ ሜዲሲን ሌላ ደግሞ ነበር።
ሌላ ምን አለ? ኤችኦ ስንት ነው? 4 ዓመት ኦኬ።
ከዛ በኋላ ነው አሁን የተንዘላዘለው ትምህርት ሁሉ so like
okay
eye contact. Okay. I hope you're enjoying it. I don't know how this is going to turn out. I will make sure she comes. Even if this is not good, you're going to do this. Because I like our chemistry. Anyway, because of
okay, hating on German. So that was the reason. Yeah. Okay, so what was my reason? I guess
my like meaning. I thought I would help people. I thought I would feel some type of way. All I felt was shit, y'all. I just cried all the time.
So now እንደዚህ አይነት ነገር አንቺ አውርተሽ ማለት ነው what was your reason but think ማለት ነው everybody's going to hate me bro.
Why?
Because እንደዚህ reason አልነበረኝም at all.
What was your reason?
Okay, so I hated እንትን TD የሚባል እንትን ነበር class technical drawing.
Yeah.
በጣም በቃ ስልሽ ሊገባኝ አልቻለም. I tried my best. አስተማሪ ከላይ ሆናችሁ ይላል I'm like hating now like I'm trying ምንም was like what? So okay TD አልገባኝም. So እንትን መሆን አልቻልኩኝም ብያሰብኩኝ ኢንጂነር መሆን አልችልም.
Yeah.
So the only choice I had was medicine ብዬ አሰብኩኝ. አልፈለኩኝም መምረጥ. My mom was like no medicine ምረጪ በቃ እና ላጎቴ ነው ይሄ መልእክት.
አጎቷ ready? Are you ready?
He told me እንትን ብሎ okay he told me ሁለት ነገሮች ግን እዚህኛው ጋር የነገረኝ ምንድነው መለስ በዛ ጊዜ ብቻ የነበረን እንትን ማለት ነው he said 70% ሳይንስ 30% አርት ነው የምንፈልገው ብሏልና ቢኤሳይንስ ተማሪ ምናምን ነገር ከዛን ከሳይንሶች ደግሞ ሜዲሲን is you know I saw like
another መቀለጃ ይሆን ነው ማለት ነው. I remember that
took everybody seriously because you know እንደዚህ ካሉ my god it should be ያሁኑ ትልቅ ሰዎች እኮ they're so rebellious and they do whatever they do.
I tell everybody እንደምትረሳ I'm like don't join እንደዚህ ነው.
But I think they knew. I don't think they knew back then.
I think they didn't know. Then
her jacket on, you know.
She's taking her jacket off. And now it's in scene. She gets hot very quickly.
Anyways. Yeah.
We thought everybody knew what the fuck they were talking about.
Yeah, another one but you don't question anybody because they sound very confident. Yeah.
Have time to tell
bro. Because I don't want to know. Medicine ከደረሰሽ ደግሞ አስቢው.
ዶክተር ገና
oh my god.
እኔ እንኳን I wasn't. እኔ እንኳን ሜዲሲን ሳልገባ by the way they used to say that ሰፈር ምናምን ሰዎች.
Yeah.
ሐኪም አይደለም እኔ ደግሞ I try to be very I'm like ህክምና አይደለም and they're like you know. I promise you it's not.
It is not. Let me drink my tea. I'm sorry.
Do whatever you want, bro. It's okay. We're friends. We're all friends here. Bitch.
Anyways, yeah. That was the reason. Kazan. ሞላሁኝና there was no ስንሞላ ትዝ ይለኛል. I remember የቱ ጋር ተቀምጠን እንደሞላ ነው ከጓደኞቼ ጋር ምናምን ተሰብስቤ ማለት ነው. I never thought in a million years. Okay. በእኛ ጊዜ ሜዲሲን 570 በላይ ምናምን ነበር መሰለኝ እንዲቀበሉሽ. So ተቀበሉ
570 በላይ አምጥተሽ ለምን ነው የሚደርስሽ መሰለሽ?
ምን መጀመሪያ ውጤትሽ አይመጣም? መጀመሪያ ሞልተሽ አይደል ውጤትሽ የሚመጣው? Yeah, it was like that.
She was smart. Oh, honey.
Bro, I cried. Like, what do you need?
What were you gonna do? Medicine ባገቢ
ከመጀመሪያም ኮሜርስ ነበር መማር የምፈልገው። ገና ሳይንስ መግባት አልፈልኩም። I wanted to be a social ተማሪ። Yeah.
ወይኔ parents please leave your children alone. እግዚአብሔርን
please do better.
በጣም በአንድ ጎን የሚያናደው ምንድን ነው ታውቂያለሽ? ቤተሰብ በብዛት የራሱን ህልም በልጁ መኖር ይፈልጋል። like አሁን በቃ እንዴት ነው የሆነ you know what I mean? like አሁን መማር የሚፈልጉ ከነበርና ካልተማሩ አንቺ የግድ መማር አለብሽ because you have to satisfy their ፍላጎት.
Yes.
which I understand በክፋት አይደለም obviously ግን እንደውም ልጆች አንቺን አይደሉም።
ከዛን ደግሞ የሚያናድሽ ነገር ማለት ነው በአንቺ ኤክሰርሳይዝ አድርገው በመጨረሻው ልጅ ማለት ነው no you can do whatever you want. I'm like what do you mean?
Oh my god, my sisters. My sister ሁሉንም ማለት አልችልም. My youngest sister living her best life.
Exactly.
Oh my god, every interest she has my dad is like I got you girl.
And you can't blame them because
it's their first time.
Yeah.
But like I don't care if it's their first time. Any መሞከር ያጣባኝ what do you mean?
Bro, trust me.
The unfairness.
Then ምን ነበር የላኩልሽ? The first daughter ምናምን ብዬ ልኬልሻለሁ መሰለኝ. Yeah. So that was the reason.
It's the worst. የመጀመሪያ ልጅ መሆን ለማንም አልመክርም።
ግን I never thought ምንም አይነት ሜዲሲን okay ሜዲሲን እየተማርኩኝ 7 ዓመት ምንም አይነት ሮማንስ ይኖረኛል ብዬ ስላላሰብኩኝ ይሆናል የወጣሁት።
ስታየው ሁኔታ like my man's not here. I gotta go. Hey, there are more things in life other than men.
I know, I did not say that.
Nah. ቤተሰቦቻችን ብትጠይቋቸው they'll be like there's nothing.
Get
married. Shut up. I'm laughing but I'm crying on the inside. እና ከዛስ
okay
so medicine ገባሽ?
so አይደለም medicine okay አሁን ይልሽ ይሄን part ማለት I was thinking about it ቅድም እና I'm not sure ጳውሎስ እንትን አወጣ I don't know ውጤታችን ከወጣ በኋላ ነው መሰለኝ ብቻ ጳውሎስ አወጣና ማለት ነው okay let me just qualify yeah because አዲስ አበባ ለመቅረት ማለት ነው I think
ውጤትሽ ወጣ and
ከዛ እንትን ሳይወጣ ነው መሰለኝ yes because የሆነ ከ400 በላይ ምናምን ብሏል ነገር yeah so okay I was like okay ቢያንስ ጳውሎስ ልሞክር and guess what happened I passed bro
you were just like succeeding not on purpose.
Because my mom was so happy ጳውሎስ አለ
it's hard የጳውሎስ relatively
I don't know በጊዜው እንዳልከበደኝ ነው ማስታወሰው to be honest I'm not trying to brag ምናምን ነገር I didn't think it was
hard. She is bragging super hard.
I don't know.
I hear the brag you guys. I can see it on her face.
No, I mean I don't know.
If your face was in ለራሳቸው ወስኑ ነበር but here you are.
አቀላሽኝ እዚህ ጋር ተቀምጬ
good.
Oh my god.
አልሆነችማ she's lying. She's a liar.
ከዛን so yeah ጳውሎስ አለፍኩኝ and then interview ነበረ መሰለኝ ቲዮሪ እና ኢንተርቪው ነው ምናምን ነገር ከዛ ኢንተርቪው ቀረውኝ ከዛ I told my mom ወደኩኝ ብዬ because there was no way
does she know this I mean her mom likes to make fun of me by the way
yeah she's like ሳሱ
ዛሬ ምንድን ነው ቪዲዮሽ በላው ጠጣው ለብስኩኝ ነው ሌላ
ነው በትግርኛ የምታወራው
yeah and I don't understand I'm like what confused to be I'm like
ዛሬም በላው ነው ነገም ጠጣው
it's so easy
it is not your mom the way I'm not interested I'm not interested
in making money from
I'm
it.
not interested
but no one is interesting by the way yeah. But anyways I'm so sorry the ADHD
oh my god you guys የሆነ ነገር ለማውራት ስልክ ስንደዋወል ማለት
ለዛ ነው ለሳፍ የምናወራው
just it goes on so I'm like okay we go back
I have to try very hard to focus even when I'm alone
I know and then I think complete opposite አይመስለኝ I'm like okay let's go back
አሁን ጨርሽ
let's go back
ሌላ ነገር ሳትወር ጨርሽ ልትኛ I'm like
because I'm old
we're both old y'all like, but you know she's just more focused than me
okay anyways ከዛ እንደዛ ወጣ so የጳውሎስ ኢንተርቪው ቀረሁኝ ከዛ ብቻ ደረሰኝ so የት ይደርሰኛል መቀሌ
the good old days
መቀሌ ይደርሰኝ by the way okay መቀሌ ደርሰኝና ሜዲሲን ደረሰኝ ከዛን I cried oh my god I cried because there's no way 7 ዓመት ሙሉ መቀሌ ቁጭ ብዬ የምማረው ለማልፈልገው ትምህርት ምን ማለት ነው ከዛን ኦኬ አጎቴ ድጋሚ ይመጣል እዚህ ሲቹዌሽን
her uncle is her greatest op her enemy
and he was like I want to ከመቀሌ ዩኒቨርሲቲ ትራንስፈር ማድረግ በእኛ ጊዜ እንትን ነበረ it was not hard by the way I don't know yeah I transferred
I didn't know that I could my parents didn't even think that I should they were like oh wonder arif no go
by so you guys being delusional የሚሰራው when you're younger መሰለኝ because I thought በቃ ይሳካል ምን ማለት ነው መቀሌ ካልፈለጉ ኦፍ ኮርስ ትራንስፈር እደረጋለሁ ብዬ ነው ያሰብኩት። ከዛ ደግሞ ወደ ኮሜርስ ከሆነ ደግሞ ዝቅተኛ ስልሽ አሁን ከሜዲሰን ከሚባል ወደ ኮሜርስ ተብሎ ዝቅተኛ ነው ተብሎ ስለሚታሰብ ይሰመርልኝ ስለሚታሰብ
ስለሚሉ
ኤኒዌይስ ከዛ ያ my uncle was like ምንድነው ወርቅ ሰተውሽ እንትን ትመርጫለሽ ምንድነው የሚባለው የእንትን የከብቶች ፑፕ እበት ትመርጫለሽ I
was like
ሰው እንዴት ወርቅ ተሰጥቶት እበት ይመርጣል so I was like
እበት እየመረጥኩ ነው
አልገባኝም እኮ ያደረኩት ነገር ያለው እኔ ብቻ ነኝ እንዳደረኩት አልገባኝ I was so scared because everybody kept telling me I was doing like በጣም የሚገርም እድል ተሰጥቶኝ I'm being እንትን
why are you throwing it away
ይሄ just a spoiled በቃ ይሄ ምንም ምናምን ነገር so መቀሌ I think 2 ሳምንት ኦሪንቴሽን እንደተሰጠ ማለት ነው እንትን ትራንስፈር አስገብቼ ነበረ ወደ ጥቁር አንበሳ አትሊስት የማልወደው ትምህርት ከሆነ ከቤተሰቦች ያራቅ አትሊስት አዲስ አበባ ይሆንልኝ በሚለው so I got accepted ወደ አዲስ አበባ ዩኒቨርሲቲ 6 ኪሎን አክሰፕት ያደረገኝ መሰለኝ ከዛም በኋላ ወደ ጥቁር አንበሳ ደግሞ መልሰሽ አፕላይ ማድረግ አለብሽ ምናምን ይሄን ፓርት I don't remember to be honest so አዲስ አበባ ከገባሁኝ በኋላ I was like no ኮሜርስ ነው አፕላይ ማድረገው so at least አዲስ አበባ ፔፐር ይገብቷል I'm going to ask for a transfer ለመደረግ ወደ ኮሜርስ
Your parents are like
the way this place is hot by the way ድምጽ ይመጣል
maybe she's gonna have to deal with it
anyways I feel like I'm talking too fast because of Hinton okay ከዛም በኋላ ኮሜርስ ሲሄድ ማለት ነው ዲኑ ማለት ነው he thought I was high or something I don't know
He wasn't high.
I was not.
He thought she was high. You said
and because he was like, I think he thought I was crazy because ከሜዲሲን እንዴት ነው የሰው ልጅ ወደ ኮሜርስ የሚቀይረው ምን ማለት ነው like are you okay
the way that everybody thinks medicine መግባት is ገነት መግባት
because my mom is like my mom damage the more people told her what I'm doing is wrong the more she's like
of course
ምን ታደርጊያለሽ ምናምን ነገር like why are you throwing your future away so I'm like እሺ ኮሜርስም ካልሆነ ሜዲሲንም ካልሆነ let me find something እናቴንም የሚያስማማ እኔንም የሚያስማማ ነገር so በዚህ መሃል ይሄ ውዝግብ ላይ ማለት ነው ክሊኒካል ፋርማሲን አሰብኩኝ ማለት ነው so በዚህ መሃል ባይዘው ፕሪንትን ተመረያለሁ ፕሪሜድ ምናምን ተመረሽ እየተማርኩ ነው ሁሉ ነገር ሀፕን ያደርጋ ያለው ባይዘው ቁጭ ብዬ አይደለምና so ልክ PC1 ሜዲሲን ላይ PC1 ስገባ I asked for እንትን በቃ ይሄ 6 ወር አልቋል ይሄ ትራንስፈር ማድረግ አለብኝ ሚለው ሐሳብ ደረስኩኝና clinical pharmacy is the best thing ብያሰብኩኝ the second best thing at least ኮሜርስ ካልገባው
that's ridiculous
because በዛ ጊዜ እንትን አልነበረኝም choice አልነበረኝም
ከገባሽ አይቀር አልፈ
ኢንጂነሪንግ ካልገባው
oh my god never
ሜዲሲን ካልገባው ኮሜርስ ካልገባው what am I going to do I don't know political science
oh my god what are you doing
I was like no መርካቶ ዝም ብዬ እንትን ልጀምር እያልኩኝ ነበር
ሰው ነበር ይሄኔ
bro I know
ይሄኔ ደና ማይክ መግዛት እንችል ነበረ
oh my god I don't know if this mic is good or not because this is the first time
አረንጓዴ ነው አትሊስት ባትሪ አላለቀ
ሲጀምር በካቻፒ ታዲያስ
በካቻፒ ያዝ ነው ያ you guys
can it looks nice it looks cute
it's very aesthetic
I was trying to show my fingernails she just for me
by the way ጥፍርሽን ማተክፈለ እኔ እኮ የሚመስለው ነው like I want all the attention but I also want someone to like you know I'm not I promise it's her she's the problem
I'm kidding she's
good I just want to make it very clear I'm the coolest person ever
except for the chair ሁሉ ነገር ተመችቶኛል like
you could just sit here and side professional
oh my god no
I will make her
anyways people yeah የቱ ጋር ነበርኩኝ
okay clinical pharmacy ነው ምንሻሰብሽ
yeah ከዛን clinical pharmacy ሲሄድ ማለት ነው ምን ይለኛል መሰለሽ he's like you're going to regret this ስለዚህ 6 ወር ተማሪ PC2 ድረስ ተማሪ እና I don't know አንድ አመት ይሁን አላውቅም ብቻ ተማሪና እስከ PC2 ድረስ እስከዛ ድረስ ሐሳብሽን ካልቀየርሽ ፋርማሲው ያስገባሻለሁ I'm like አልወደቅ እንጂ the way I'm not going to school I did not go to school በቃ ይሄ ለማለት ብቻ ነው የሄድኩት ይሄ በቃ just ለፈተና ይሄ አቴንዳንስ ለመሰብሰብ እንትላል ይሄ ትራንስፈር የማደርገው ፔፐር I think if ካመጣሽ ትራንስፈር አይቀበሉሽም
okay I didn't know that
yeah because
you're dumb
yeah why would we want a dummy because that so baka was just PC1 was just the worst I was like I don't care and Mariam
shut your mouth bro
and Mariam that's haya አጥንት ቢኖረው በመሃል በቃ I didn't care
so many
I didn't care like I'm not saying people shouldn't care but I didn't care it was not personal like chalane it's just my personal opinion you guys
I get it
So I hated it. And then clinical pharmacy ገባሁ. You think I would like it? Oh my god, the comments are going
Why
to be
would
like,
you like clinical
you
pharmacy?
hate everything. ምናምን ነገር. No.
Yes, you guys. By the way, you hate everything until you find something that you like. That's life.
That's life. Yeah, clinical pharmacy.
But
I don't like
by the
it.
way, they hate. Most people hate their jobs. I feel like I can say this with confidence, and most people hate ትምህርት ቤት.
Okay, good. One thing I can say about pharmacy is clinical pharmacy. I hated Denton. ትምህርቱን ብዙ አልወደድኩትም። መጨረሻ አካባቢ ግን ወድጄው ነበር። 5ኛ ዓመት ላይ ምናምን ስንደርስ ሳይንሱ ፋሲኔት እያደረገ ይመጣ የሜካኒዝሙ ፋክሽኑ ምናምን ነገር ብቻ I liked it. ግን you guys ስራው ግን ደስ ይላል ከትምህርቱ በላይ ፋርማሲ I swear I liked it. ትምህርቱ ደስ ይላል ስራው ደስ ይላል because it's more of okay because of it's እንትን dispensing ላይ ስትሰሪ ማለት it's more of እንትን ንግድ ነገር ነው like ትለምጂዋለሽ ይሄ
so ንግድ ትወዳለች ነው እንጂ ፋርማሲ አይደለም
yes that's why I've been telling them social ተማሪ loan I want to be in my business
she would have done ነገሩ ያው እግዚአብሔር ፈቀደው ነው
yeah
that's what I tell myself every day
yeah so I wasted ጥቁር አንበሳ ስንት ዓመት ማለት ነው clinical pharmacy 5 ዓመት medicine 1 ዓመት so 6 years
ያው wasted አይደለም ሰርተሻል 4 ዓመት ሰራሻ
ከዛ በኋላ በፋርማሲ yeah okay so I wasted 10 years of my life
how many years አይገርምም
very sad
so
I wasted my life እስከ 27 ዓመት ድረስ ነው wasted ባይሆን I don't like it I mean yeah. I don't know
I think we all just do stuff that we don't like for the majority of our life and then we die
I don't want to like
I'm so depressing by the way I'm a very depressing person
I'm like my hormone is not acting I mean you guys but she's making it even worse
I always make it worse every time we talk now I'm like making myself look bad
no አስቡት ብቻ
በዚህ ጋር ሆኛሽ በሩ ፈትሽ we can pause
no በሩ ምን ትላላ ንፋስ ያስገባ
it will but it's okay
no it's fine
it's not going to be noisy
I can be hot for today anyways
every day she's
ደግሞ ማለት you guys heater ምናምን አላት I don't even know why
because ክረምት ላይ በጣም ነው የሚበርደው I'm by myself
ክረምት ይገባል ብለሽ አስበሽ ነው
እና አልሞት ከዛ በፊት probably
you never know bro
never know but chances are I probably won't I'm probably going to live a long ass life
I don't know you guys I sleep በሩን ከፍቼ መስኮት ከፍቼ
ስንተኛ ፍሎር ላይ ነው የምትኖሪው
first floor
እግዚኦ ኑዝራፉኝ ነው ይሄ
ማልከብ ስፓይደርማን ነው ደግሞ
somebody gonna
you are on the second floor bro
because I know but then I thought you know what it's fine and then I went to sleep
it's because of intention አዲስ ስለሆንሽ I've been living like alone for like 3 years
yeah ግን ተነስቻ ላይ አልቆለፍኩትም ነበር አልቆልፌያለሁ if I'm in bed I just go to sleep. I'm not going to wake up and check.
What's the part of my mind? So what's the point of like thinking about it?
I don't know. I think about it for a second and then I'm like, Jesus, don't embarrass me in front of these people.
You're
but that's not fair to God.
I don't think so.
I think it's okay.
So the second floor, like, nobody's jumping. Because I'm waiting to that is not even possible.
I mean, I hope not. I don't want to die, y'all. Especially in this terrible death. It's the worst.
That way, I don't even care about if I live or not. But anyways, yeah.
Looks you. No, she was የጤና ተማሪ.
Yes.
What do you think would make it better? When people ask me about like healthcare material, I think we can talk about that in another episode because this is already very long, I think.
Okay.
So like when they talk about it, I made a video on TikTok. So I said እኔ personally ማለት ነው people are saying ደሞዙ ቢጨመር ምናምን ግን እኔ እንጃ ጤና ላይ እየሰራው ምንም ያህል ብር ቢከፍሉኝ የምወደው አይመስለኝም
እኔም አይመስለኝም
ግን ምናልባት በቀን 2 ሰዓት ከሰራሁ እና 100,000 ብር በወር ከከፈሉኝ ላልተራ
እናንተም ኮንች ይሄ NGO ምናምን ኮኦርዲኔተር ምናምን
I heard this girl who went to school with us
bro
are like went to school with us ነገር she makes like $500K
bro yeah
እግዚአብሔር ሆይ
$7,000 ምናምን ነገር I heard yeah
እግዚአብሔር ሆይ
and plus imagine I mean I'm not saying it's easy ምናምን ሳይሆን
it's not easy there's a lot of traveling
ግን traveling አለው እሱ ለማለት ነው travel ማድረግ አለብሽ because you think travel የምታደርጉት a fancy place ብቻ አይደለም you go to a ገጠር
ተዋሮቹ ምናምን ነገር ሃይ እያሉ
it's fine if it's $7,000 please take me
that way
take me bro
I'm ready to scratch
I'm ready to die
scratched for free ጎንደር እያለ what do you mean ግን
okay so you were saying ማለት ነው ብሩ ደህና ከሆነ of course እንደዚህ አይነት ቦታ ከሆነ anybody would like እኔ እንጃ
ግን realistically
እኔ I don't want to
I don't know እሺ
ክሊኒክ ውስጥ አልፈልግም መስራት ነው ዋርድ ውስጥ ምናምን መስራት አልፈልግም
እኔ እንጃ I moved and I became uncomfortable. I don't think I would enjoy working in any this sounds like this makes me sound terrible.
It does because I've seen your comments from last time and they were like, oh, it's because you're lazy ምናምን
አንቺ ስታመሚ ማን ሊያክምሽ ነው? I hate እንደሱ አይነት ራስ ወዳድነት። ገና ለገና ማርያም ታርጅታ ወይንም ታማ የሆነ ሰው ያከመኝ እኮ ግን እኔ ገና ለገና ታመሜ ወይንም ምናምን የሚያከመኝ ሰው አይኖር ተብሎ እነዚህ ልጆች እድሜያቸው መጨረስ የለባቸውም የማይጠቅም ነገር ነው።
That's so unfair.
Pretty much, if I'm being honest with you.
No, ግን ማለት ነው I feel like there isn't an silver lining አለው መሰለኝ አንቺ ባልሽው ሀሳብና I feel like ማለት ነው ሳይንሱን የእውነት የሚወደው ሰው አለ ደግሞ የእውነት ሳይንሱን የሚወድ ሰው አለ የሚወዱ ሰዎች አሉ የእውነት ስራው የሚወዱ ሰዎች አሉ like we አሉ የሚፈጉ ጠዋት ተነስተው
ሰው ትዕግስትሽን የሚጨርስበት መጠን is you guys.
So what's your advice? I
don't know.
Medicine የሚገባ ሰው ምን አይነት ሰው ነው መሆን ያለበት?
Okay, I have to be
realistic.
አንደኛ በቃ ትዕግስት እንዴት ነው ትዕግስተኛ ብላችሁ የምታስቡ ሰው አለ ትዕግስተኛ ብላችሁ የምታስቡት ሰው አለ
The way we're not I'm not
አንድ ነገር አንዴ በላይ መናገር ያለብኝ አይመስለኝም in any situation by the way like whether it's to like you አሁን if I say አዲ እንደሱ ማረጋ ቆሚ ብዬሽ I get irritated if I have to tell you
አጣጥባ ከተፋለ ወጣች
ያረክሹ እንዳልናገር ሽሮን ያሰደበችው even though ብዙ ጫው ቢኖረው anyways so like you have to be someone እንዴ ነው let's say ሰው የሚያስበው ማለት ነው እናቴ ብትታመም ማከም ፈልጋለሁ ነው እናትሽን ሳይሆን ግን በቃ ጠላትሽን like someone you hate
exactly
ሲያወራ ምቹ የሚልሽን ሰው የሆነ ነገር በቃ ቀላል ሐሳብ አንድ ሲደመር አንድ ሁለት ነው አይደል ስትዩ እንዴ አይደለም አንድ ሲደመር አንድ እኮ 17 የሚሆንበት ጊዜ አለ ለምሳሌ ምናምን of equation of ምናምን ብሎ እንደዚህ you know those people who think they're smart and then they're not and then you're just annoyed
I love those people
oh my god and what do you mean
sorry continue
she's insane so like በቃ ማትወዱትን የሚያወራው ነገር የሚናገረው ነገር ሁሉ የሚያናድዳችሁን ሰው ታግሳችሁ ሳትጮሁ ሳትቆጡ እንዴት ነው ሳታመናጭቁ ማናገር የምትችሉ ከሆነ አንድ ያን ሰው ግን በቀን 8 ሰዓት ማናገር የምትችሉ ከሆነ definitely join medicine or any other healthcare ነገሮችን ግን ከዛ ውጪ if you're someone who doesn't have patience if you're someone who ምስጋና የምትወዱ ከሆነ by the way ምስጋና ያለው ስራ አይደለም
it's
ምንም ምስጋና የለው
it is not bro
there is not a single oh my god you would think oh my god bro
it's not
ምንም ነገር ስታረጉ ደስተኛ አይሆንም መድኃኒት ብሸጪላችሁ አሁን ለምሳሌ ይላችሁ መነጽር ያለውን መጠቀም ቀጥሉ ስትሏቸው ይናደዳሉ በደንብ አያሳየኝም ብላችሁ እሺ አዲስ መግዛት ትችላላችሁ ስትሏቸው ለምንድነው ብር ማውጣው ብለው ይናደዳሉ እኔ እንግዲህ ማውራት የምችለው ስለመነጽሩ ብቻ ስለሆነ so like sometimes it feels like ምንም ነገር ብታረጉ nobody's happy and you're not happy
and you're getting paid shit
and you're getting paid nothing shit አንድ ነገር maybe there's gold in it but like and then your employers are assholes most of the time maybe I'm an asshole maybe I'm the problem
oh my god okay so ነገር maybe ሌላ ኤፒሶድ ላይ እናወራለን I think the most hardest thing is ማለት ነው አብሮሽ የሚሰራ ሰው ነው ከባዱ እኔ ከከስተመሩ በላይ የሚከብደኝ ወይ ደግሞ ኦኬ ከስተመር አይባል ሜቢ ፋርማሲ ላይ ከስተመር ነው የሚባለው ሜዲሲን ላይ ግን ከፔሸንቱ በላይ አስተማሚው ነው ከባድ ብቻ እዛ ያሉት ነው ከባድ ያ ግን እኔ ሁሉም ነገር ላይ ማለት ነው እነሱም በሆን ብዬ ሳስበው ደግሞ አንደርስታንድ
እነሱም በሆን ብዬ ሳስበው እኔ እንደዚህ አይነት ሰው አይደለም
I can be
any
okay
so what's our try to be understand
we cannot be too pessimistic people please
I didn't ማለት እንዴት ነው I just አንዳንዴ ደግሞ I think life is life አላ መሆኑ አይቀርም ግን expectationሽን adjust አድርገሽ መግባትም አንድ ነገር
እኮ ስለዚህ አሁን
I think that's why I talk about how much I hate it so that people can be like okay so ይሄን ያህል ሊጣላ የሚችል ነገር ነው ግን እኔ I still want to do it so like እንዲ ነገሮች አሉ ብሎ አውቆም መግባት አንድ ነገር honestly
እና ደግሞ ለብሩ ብላችሁ please for the love of God እኛ በቃኛ ተሸውደናል
Really, the way I thought I was going to be rich.
Wait, bro. The way I was rich before.
The way big sabotage has started during my life is so much better. No, she worked out. I mean, oh my god.
Anyways,
oh my god.
So I think እንትናችሁን አጀስት አድርጉት ነው መሰለኝ
expectation በጣም አጀስት መደረግ አለበት
ከገባችሁ አይቀር ይሄ ለደሞዝ አይደለም ለብሩ አይደለም I don't know. ከታዲያ ለምን ነው የሚገባው? I don't know. Satisfaction.
በቃ እኔ
Do I like this? Do I love this?
This is my calling ብላችሁ
This is my calling. Yeah. ከዛን ደግሞ ህብረተሰቡ ላይ ለውጥ አመጣለሁ.
You're a child. You're a baby. You're 18. You don't know anything.
The way I don't know anything now. I want somebody to be like ከኔ ታላቅ 10 ዓመት የሆነ ቤቢ የሚል ሰው እያለ ቲክቶክ ላይ by the way.
ማን ነው እሱ?
የሆነ ፈረንጅ ነው. He's like የሆነ እድሜ ይጠራና I don't want to mention. Okay, by the way I don't care ብቻ.
You should care. We both care. Shut up.
He'll be like, okay, let's say X.
By the way, በጣም ቀላል ነው ገምቶ መድረስ ግን ያው you don't want to leave a footprint.
Okay.
And then video ከዛ ያደረጉና የሆነ ቀን እኔ 25 ዓመት ነው እስቲ
እንደዚህ a few moments later no
20 years later I'm 15 ስትይ the shame I can't.
I don't know why people lie about their age by the way because you
have people shame you.
I know people
okay,
shame.
We can't talk about everything today. This is like you need to get
okay because ሳሱ አንቺ የሚያውቅሽ ተማሪ ነው high school ላይ ነው like ሳሱ አውቅሽ ነበር. So I don't know.
እንደማውቁ ያውቃሉ by the way እኔ just ሰው ገምቶ እድሜ ላይ መድረስ አይችልም ብዬ አላስብም። ግን እናንተ አንደኛ ትገለኛለች እንደዚህ ነው ብዬ ባወራ ሁለተኛ ደግሞ you have no evidence. You just have assumptions.
That is true.
So እነሱ ገምተው ሲደርሱበት I can say no.
I mean yeah. So ብቻ point to anyways 18 ዓመት በጣም ትንሽ እድሜ ነው።
28 38 by the way you don't know nothing y'all.
You don't እንደው ማለት ነው እኔ የተማርኩት ነገር ማለት ነው the more ባደግሽ ቁጥር the more you don't know shit.
Nothing. You know that ምንም እንደማታውቂ
እንትኑ ብቻ የሚቀየረው you just don't care ነገር ነው.
Kind of.
Yeah. አለማወቅሽ doesn't bother you that much. You're like you are tired and you just want to sleep.
Yeah. ማሰብ ይከብዳል.
Yeah. የሚለው አይነት እንትን አላየሽም? He's like you didn't call me bro. Because I like
when you're heartbroken but you're over 30 immediately gone the way
you just mentioned your age anyways.
I said 25.
Okay.
Minus 10. Basically an embryo.
Times 2. Anyway.
To the square root of 7.
So like so okay.
We'll talk about a lot. I feel like we can talk about a lot. ማፈሯን ትታ መንገድ ላይ ካገኛችሁ ሰላማት በሏት ነው ነገሩ by the way I think.
Oh please
ከዛ ግን ታክሲ ላይ ስታገኟት ክፈሉላት። ባለፈው ተከፍሎልኝ ደስ ብሎኛል።
እሱ ነገር yeah so we're doing this TikTok because
she said መኪና ባልገዛልሽ ታክሲ ልክፈልሻለሽ. I was like oh
I love girls bro.
Girls are the best. Girls. Oh my god. Girls are the best. Girls in a very normal platonic sisterly way. Don't be weird.
The way I don't think nobody was. Nobody was. You think so?
I don't want nobody to crop this video out and be like, oh, she said I love girls. I can't live like that.
Who was that girl? Oh my god, please, you guys. Let's be serious.
It's not me.
Let's be serious.
Love me.
I love, yeah. I'm not gonna make it weird. Anyways, what the topic
What was our topic?
Our topic was medicine ለሚገቡ ተማሪዎች አሁን since the movement is you know medicine
we'll talk about the movement more next time.
Yeah. ስለዚህ if you have questions
oh yeah please leave them in the comments about working in healthcare about
ምን ያህል ጊዜ እንደሚፈጅ
what do you think ማወቅ የምትፈልጉት ነገር በሙሉ
ከዛ ደግሞ medicine people have ብዙ ጊዜ ማለት ነው okay one of እንትና የጋርፊልድ እንትን ላይ ምናምን ላይ ማለት ነው ዶክተር ጋርፊልድ which shout out to Dr. Garfield. We love her.
She's the best.
ብቻ እንትን ላይ ያየው ነበር. I don't know why people think
seeing her videos someone they are all I love her moral. She's not scared bro.
Why?
Any the way I would never talk about sex.
Why?
Because my mother watches and my uncle watches. I mean, and my grandma
next episode can we make it about sex?
No.
Why not? Okay, you guys, I got this. I got this.
120 million ይሆን ነው ዝም ብሎ
አሳምናታለሁ
ባጋጣሚ ሆነ ቀን ብድግ ስለ 120 million ነበር. Nobody has sex in this
country. No, sex is not about the sex so like
we're not talking about it.
Okay. Anyways, the video like people
we will if you want.
Yeah, please comment አድርጉ እሷ ቪዲዮ ላይ ማለት ነው people don't have the understanding 7 ዓመት ይላሉ I don't know 7 ዓመት ብቻ አይደለም medicine you guys የሆነ GP ነው 7 ዓመት ድረስ ከዛ በኋላ
GP ለመሆናችሁ አዋጣ
a lot and I don't think people get that
የሆነ ነገር መቀጠል አለብሽ ወደድሽም ጠላሽም ብዙ ጊዜ በተለይ አሁን
ስለ ምንም ነገር ላይ በትምህርት ከሆነ ካልቀጠልሽ you're not going to be better from አሁን ከሚመጣው እንትን
ነጋዴ ካልሆንሽ ምናልባት
ነጋዴም እኮ even yeah
of course መሻሻል አለበት ስኑን እርግፍ አድርጎ ለመተው ነው እንጂ ያለበለዚያ መቀጠል አለበት የግድ
so anyways yeah እሱን ካወቃችሁ
so I don't know any questions you might want to ask this is more like a try where ምንድነው እየሞከርነው ነው because she doesn't know if she wants to do it I don't know if I want the attention taken away from me, if I'm being honest with you. ሄዳችሁ comment ላይ we like the new girl so much more ብትሉ I will end it. I will end this life.
Please,
So we're
like
just
me,
trying it
people.
out. Hopefully she can join us next time.
If not, more I will just be here and not just be like until
I am imagining
Cardi-
yeah, commentators, they're gonna mow red on you. They don't like it when they can't see you.
I understand that.
Come
Again,
on,
it's
go.
not about it's not about me. It's just about የአሁኑ ትውልዶችን ለመቀየር.
Honestly, yes.
So it's not.
Yeah.
It's not even
I
about us.
want people to be more honest, Ziagar, but we're not. We're such liars.
Well, we can start doing that.
Yeah, but you have to sit here.
Okay, the way if we're just going to do this, we're going to change the whole.
Azdiga.
Wait,
And you can sit Azdiga.
the way I look fatter, bro.
We're both fat, you guys. We nominate them. We just are. You know what I mean? So
yeah, that is very true.
On our YouTube channel.
Oh, we can talk about then syndrome. My hormonal thing. Next thing.
We can talk about so many things.
Yeah.
There's so much you can talk about, aren't you? Anyway,
can you watch?
Long I don't even know.
Okay, the only thing I can say, the only thing I can say is like, you guys እያልኳት ነበር እና she was like, bro, you don't even know Sunday. I think አንድ ሰዓት ይሆናል.
Oh my god, yeah.
አንድ ሰዓት ይሆናል. Okay, ስለዚህ እንጨርሰው, I guess. Is there anything?
Please, okay, let us know in the comments አበረታቷት so she can join us on the couch. We normally have great conversations in the Zoom, so I feel like this would work out.
Yeah.
So let us know what you think. Just ignore that you can't see her and ignore the sound quality. We will get a mic if you like it and you want us to continue. So
okay, I don't know.
Huh?
About the things that we talked about.
Anything you want to ask her.
That is not even.
By the way, people love to ask questions about.
Yeah, I want the podcast. Oh, okay, whatever this is, I want the YouTube.
Whatever.
To be about the YouTube.
Yeah, but whatever you want to ask us.
Okay.
Opinion and bihon, experience and bihon, advice and bihon. Let us know in the comments.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for coming.
I love you.
I love you.
Bye.
As a friend.
Wink, wink.
There's no winking, for real. So subscribe, argu, comment, argu, and I will see you guys. We will see you guys in the next video. Bye.